So you're going to get about 2 cups of frozen mixed berries and add them to a saucepan. So we're going to cook these on a medium heat, stirring consistently. We want to make sure they're completely defrosted and nice and soft. We're going to keep them on this heat until the berries continue to release most of their liquid and the sauce starts to look kind of soupy. Then we're going to remove it from heat and we're going to add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. And then about a tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Then give everything a good stir. And then we're just going to let this cool for about 10 minutes or so.